Hi, and welcome to the next video in the process of making your landing page. I'm starting this video on the screencast-o-matic.com site because I wanted to point out that we use Screencast to make most of our videos. There's several other applications just like Screencast. There's one called Loom. There's a bunch of other ones. I like Screencast. Super easy. It's completely free. You just go to screencast-o-matic.com. You set up a login, and then all you have to do is click this camera right here. And once you click the camera, it creates a frame around your screen, and then you click record, and you can record what you're doing on your computer as you're talking. It's so easy to push out information about how to make things work on the computer. And it would be a great tool to use in your virtual classroom. So the reason that I am screencasting right now is because I want to show you how to add the bitmoji extension onto your computer, because bitmoji is really only available on your phone. And so you need a way to get it onto your computer so you can use your bitmoji in your virtual classroom if you choose to. If you don't want to use your bitmoji, then you've had a great quick lesson on Screencast and you can ignore the rest of it. So all we're going to do is just go to this apps section right here. It's in the left-hand corner as long as you're logged into Google Chrome. And remember, one of the things that's going to make this much, much easier for you is if you do everything in Google Chrome. So we're going to go to the apps right here. And there's one that says Web Store. So we're going to click right there on Web Store. And you can search the store and just type in Bitmoji here. But I know already that I have Bitmoji here. Here is Screencastify. That's another screen recorder. Way to get to it right there. You can add that as an extension too. An extension just means that it's right up here in your up around your toolbar and super easy to get to. So you don't have to go to the site every time. So we're going to click on Bitmoji, and we're just going to add it to Chrome. Add extension, and it might just take a few minutes. And I'm using my personal email to do this. Our RESA email is, there's a firewall that won't let us do this extension on our work email. So you may have to use a personal email to do it. I'm not sure what your system has set up. Whoever is running that RESA really needs to fix that. But for right now, I just use my personal email. And there it is. So when I go to do, to work on my landing page or do whatever I might be doing, I can just click here on this Bitmoji. And here it is. And let me tell you a trick for your landing page when you get there. Is if you type in pose right here, then you'll see your Bitmoji in all these different poses without the words. That's super easy to add to your site. So that's it. You just go in, add the Chrome extension for Bitmoji, and the next video we're going to talk about designing your landing page. And you can pop your Bitmoji right in there or do something else, and we'll talk about that too. So here we go.